Innovation is not about making new things. It's about creating new experiences with the same things, creating better experiences with the same features if we're talking about digital technologies. The other day I saw Jason Fried talking about Hey. It's a new email service. It's a complete new way of working with email, and yet nothing is really new there. They use common design patterns we all use everywhere, and implementing them in a place where they are not used. When I say design patterns, what I mean is common components and methods that designers use to tackle all sorts of user problems. Let's jump right into it because I think there's a lot to learn here and I want to cut this video short. Let's start with searching for files. They've simply taken reference from the way we search files on our computer and built it into an email. It makes so much sense, and yet it's not implemented in any email service I know. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's not like it's impossible to search on Gmail or Outlook. It's just this flow makes more sense. It's more efficient and more effective. Another cool feature related to search is the profile pages. They actually have a page for each contact. Also here we see a familiar design pattern, this time from social media. Profile pages. This layout gives easy access to files, emails, settings, and again, nothing new. Yet it's not the features that make this stand out, obviously. We have contacts on Gmail, on Outlook, everywhere. But it's the way that contacts are being served that makes this stand out. And that is a lesson that any developer friend of mine should learn. Because it's not really about the features, it is just about the way they're being served, the way they are interacted with. Now let's say you want to reply later on an email because you're too busy. They've built a dedicated box for these emails and used the fan view we're all familiar with from macOS to get a quick overview of the latest emails. And I can't wait to get my account because of just this feature would basically change the way that I work. You see, when you start working with email and you get busy, like when you start managing, or if you're an entrepreneur or anyone that's just working with their email often, email can eat your day. And the way to tackle this is to push things together into like a block of time. So emails that take more than a split of a second to answer will just go to this block of time where I'm gonna reply to them. And then they added another feature which is focus and reply, which takes this productivity to a complete new level. It basically opens all these emails all stacked one under another, which allows me to focus and reply. I'm not sure what common design pattern is used here, but this is maybe a good exercise for you guys. If you're a junior designer, if you're just starting out and studying, try to have a look at what they've done and try to see where they are stealing their ideas from, because they're all over from all places. It's not new, but it's super clever. It's just the way that they are implementing these things that make this product really stand out. And I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I don't even have an account yet. I just saw this online, and yeah, it's Jason Fried. I'm a fan. What can I say? And that's it. It's a pretty short video this time. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe.